Brother, give something. God will give you a lot.
Why does not He give you anything? You are taking it for me. So why don't you ask Him yourself? What has happened between you and Him? That you are asking everyone, but not to Him. What mistake has been made? Please forgive me. Why does not He give you anything? You are taking it for me. So why don't you ask Him yourself? What has happened between you and Him? That you are asking everyone, but not to Him.
Today, for the first time, I realized that I should have asked you. I don't need anything else. Just give me enough so that this hand doesn't reach out to anyone but you.
Tag this.
You always kept asking for it, but I wouldn't give it to you. Today I have received a great benefit. Keep it.
But I don't want. Now I have asked Him who gives to the entire universe. I have given up begging.
Your words have touched my heart. Will do business with me?
You have suffered losses. What should I do? I need rent.
I am not refusing you. I am just saying if you get a little time.
2 months have passed, and how much time is needed? I need rent. If not, vacate the house.
This is 1 lakh rupees. You take 2 months' rent and keep the remaining advance. Okay.
You gave me my money? I did not recognize you.
You will be recognized.
Excuse me. I don't know who you are or what the matter is, but I will never forget this kindness of yours for the rest of my life.
Kindness was rewarded kindness. But the best kindness is the one that is done for the first time. You were kind to me for the first time.
Which is kindness.
You gave me the key to my treasure that was locked up with God.
Give me something. God will give you a lot.
If you want to never raise your hand in front of anyone, so go meet that person.